F1? What's wrong? Uh-oh. What's with the hiccups? Uh-oh. Hiccup. What the? He's having double hiccups? Hi. Hi, Sophie. Stop your hiccups. Stop it. Aww. Sophie has a double chin. Whoa.